Upon analysing Sophie's hair, we can clearly see that she has very thick, very coarse and slightly dry hair. We're going to treat Sophie's hair by using the SEAMORE line of products, which is specifically for dry and damaged hair. We're going to use the Sea Wet shampoo to restore moisture, enhance any weaker and damaged hair, giving it softness and making it appear smoother and frizz-free. And then we are going to use the Secure mask. This mask is designed to restore moisture and elasticity to the hair, increase softness and shine, and also give the hair health and strength over a period of time of elongated use. We're using the mask instead of the conditioner because we want to give this hair more moisture and a deeper nourishing conditioner into the hair. So we're now going to apply the Sea Wet shampoo. We're going to use 2 pumps of the Sea Wet shampoo. We're now going to apply the Bolster Ampule Emulsion. This is a nourishing emulsion that is concentrated and active product. So the product is activated by heat. So at first we're going to heat the product gently. Once that is complete, I will shake the product really well. And then we are just going to snap off the end. And then when we apply this product, we apply it directly onto the scalp in lines through, and then we massage into the scalp. I'm now going to apply the Secure mask. So we're going to make sure that when we apply the mask, we're going to massage it gently into our hands in order to then spread it evenly, this time beginning at the ends of the hair and working back towards the root. Once we've cleansed the hair and conditioned, we're now going to apply our styling products. First of all, I'm going to use the Sea Mist. This is a beautiful spray that's going to make the hair easy to detangle, easy to comb through. It's an anti-frizz styling spray that's going to give the hair moisture, protecting the hair and scalp, and it really is going to encourage as much smoothness and shine as possible. This spray is also fantastic because it can be used on wet hair or alternatively as a mist on dry hair, just to give that really lovely soft finish. As Sophie's hair is much thicker and coarser, also being naturally curly, it enables us to use the Sea Lush serum alongside the Sea Mist spray. Often you may not need to use both of these products together because the Sea Mist will be enough of a smoothing property on its own, but in this occasion we're going to use the Sea Lush serum as well. This serum will give thermal protection on the hair. It is heat activated serum, and this is going to treat broken keratin bonds and really ensure that the split ends are sealed, and it defrizzes and tames all of Sophie's hair. Now the styling is complete, we're going to finish using the glowing hair oil. This oil is beautiful, can be applied on wet or dry hair. It gives a heat protection, so if you're applying this on wet hair, it's perfect to protect against heat styling. This is going to give the hair a real softness, a beautiful shine, smooth out any of these little flyaway hairs. It repairs dry and damaged hair and just seals these cuticle and the split ends to give us a really nice, soft, silky smooth finish all over. How does it feel?
Yeah, incredible, it looks amazing.
It's got the most incredible shine to it, the softness. It's really smoothed out all those kind of flyaway hairs, giving it that real nice glossy feeling, but also the condition just feels incredible.